Okay, students, before you take your quiz, this is a practice quiz. So you can go ahead and spend, 5, 10 minutes and work through this, answer the questions to the best of your ability, and then I'll go over them and hopefully clarify any points of confusion. So go ahead and get started. And maybe start. Whoops, sorry, I turned it off there. Maybe you already did start. We'll start here, right? The equation for the line, point, slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. We know that this is x1 and this is y1. So you should have y minus 2 is equal to 5 times x minus 6. That's what we're looking for there. For the next one, we have x1 and we have y1. So y minus 5 is equal to m, which is 5/3, times x minus -4, which is plus 4. So there you go. There's the answer for your first two. Hopefully you're 2 for 2 so far. Now we switch it around. Identify the slope and a point on the line. So if it's y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, everybody should get m. M's the number right in front there. It's 4. And over here, it's 7/2. So the question is, what's the point? That's the x value, 7. That's the y value, 2. Now, if you wrote -7 and -2, that's not correct. It's opposite of what you think. Okay, we've talked about that for a while. So the point over here, this is the x value, so -1. This is the y value, -2. Again, opposite of what you think. If you wrote +1, +2, that's incorrect. Okay, so -1, -2. Hopefully you're 4 for 4. If you're not, hopefully you see the mistakes that you made. Give it 2 points, find the slope. This is x1, this is y1. This is x2, this is y2. So 14 minus 4, I'm using this part of my slope formula, divided by 6 minus 1, that part of my slope formula. And I get 10/5, which is 2. Now on the test, I'd accept 2 or 2/1, either one. You would have to reduce 10/5. Next one, we have x1, y1, x2, y2. We do 13 minus 1 over -5 minus -2. A little bit more challenging. 13 minus 1, 12. -5 minus the -2. I add the opposite. And -5 plus 2 is -3. We get -4. Or you could write -4/1. Okay, there's a couple of your problems so far. Let's try one more together. Again, this is your last practice before you take the quiz. Slope. We want to write an equation in point-slope form. We need slope, and we need our point. I'm going to choose 6/5 for my point. Slope, I'm going to use my slope formula. x1, y1, x2, y2. 5 minus -5 over 6 minus 1. 5 minus -5, I add the opposite, and we get 10. 6 minus 1, add, subtract, and I get 5. So slope is 2. Now that I have that, I'm going to do exactly what we did up above, which is write an equation. Y minus 5 equals 2 times x minus 6. Now I just need to turn that into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Distribute my 2. Y minus 5 equals 2x minus 12. Add the 5 to both sides. Y equals 2x minus 7. So y equals 2x minus 7. That is, in fact, our slope-intercept form. As we graph it, we go down 7. We rise 2 and run 1. Rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1, so on and so forth. your line should look something like that. There you go. There's a quick 5-minute video so you can see how you did. And good luck. Good luck. Hope you do really well on your quiz.